வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போகலாம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நீங்கள் இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணணும்னா மறக்காம சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிடுங்க. In the box there is a warranty card and one user manual book. This headphone has a 1-year warranty. They also give a data cable for charging and one aux cable. They provide 250 mAh battery. And you can hear the songs for 8 hours. The quality of the output is HD sound with powerful bass. It has adjustable headband. And the main thing, you can also fold the earbuds. The headbands have a soft air cushion. It is comfortable for a long time use. It supports dual mode, both wired and as well as wireless. You can also adjust your headbands. You can switch on the headphone by long pressing the play pause button. You can also attend the call by pressing the center button. You can also change the track by pressing the up button and the lower button. When you have no charge, you can use the aux port. It comes with 3 different colors.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். பிடிச்சிருந்தா மறக்காம லைக் பண்ணிடுங்க.